Are sinus problems, congestion, and restless nights getting the best of you? Introducing the LEVOIT Humidifier, your ultimate solution for a more comfortable and healthier living environment. With its smart features, superior performance, and sleek design, the LEVOIT Humidifier is your go-to choice for maintaining the perfect humidity levels in your home. You have complete control at your fingertips. Use the Vesync app to effortlessly customize humidity levels between 40 and 60% RH. Whether you're at home or on the go, manage your humidifier remotely and create schedules that sync with your daily routine. And here's the best part. Our top fill design makes refilling a breeze with just one easy step. No more spills or struggles. Feeling tired after a long day? Add 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil to the tray and indulge in a unique, fragrant, and soothing home atmosphere. Worried about noise? Don't be. Our upgraded triple noise reduction technology ensures a peaceful bedroom atmosphere, even during warm mist operation. Turn off display lights and enjoy a restful night's sleep. The LEVOIT Humidifier offers warm and cool mist for faster and healthier relief. A timer, remote control, scheduling, smart Vesync app integration, aroma diffusion, and a built-in humidistat. Say goodbye to sinus discomfort, and hello to a soothing ambiance. Get your LEVOIT Humidifier today and start living more comfortably. LEVOIT, a breath of fresh air in every home. Don't wait. Click the link below to order your LEVOIT Humidifier now and experience the difference for yourself. You deserve a healthier, happier home.